Hey, in this video we're going to be discussing why the Yeti Roadie 24 Hard Cooler is the best option for a Jeep Gladiator if you have a Mopar Trifold Hard Tonneau cover. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button, click subscribe, and click that bell to be notified when we got new videos out. Hey, let's go ahead and get started. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, today we're going to be discussing why I think the Yeti Roadie 24 Hard Cooler is the best option if you own a Jeep Gladiator, Mohave, Rubicon, whatever, Sport. But if you have a hard tonneau on the back of it, there are several benefits to this cooler and it not moving anywhere. Let's kind of talk about it a little bit. Hey, this cooler is available on the Yeti website. It's about 250 bucks. But I actually won this in a raffle in my company, SAP, great company, been working there for years. And so I actually got this for free. So I probably would have bought it, or I would have bought one from Rome Adventure. I'm kind of liking their products today anyway. But anyway, I've got this. This is a great cooler. It's very tall. It'll hold a bottle of wine, hold 24, holds a lot of stuff. Many times I need to go out when we're taking the dirt bike out for the day. And you know, I don't need my 12 volt full-blown Alpha cooler that I plug in and it can stay, you know, running for days off the battery and stuff. I just need a quick cooler. And other coolers I've had in the past, they would slosh around in the back of your truck or whatever. This one, if you put it in correctly in the back and put the tonneau cover, it won't move at all. Let me kind of walk you through it and show you what I mean. So just realized I didn't actually show you the actual cooler itself versus talking about how great it fits inside the truck. So this is your standard Yeti Roadie. This is the 24. It's got these great latches as well that clip in, clip out very well. This can be used as a seat, and it is actually the perfect height. And if you look inside, it's your basic cooler. It doesn't have a drain or anything, but it does keep everything very, very cold. It's got a great flat seal here that'll get in and actually secures things pretty well. Again, just clicks in like that. And then you've got this handle, which I gotta be honest, sometimes it is a little bit of a pain in the ass to pull up versus another one, but it's light and it's flexible and it moves around and it's pretty good. All right, let's get back to the putting it under the tonneau cover. All right, let's go ahead and lift up the tonneau cover. And you can see here, this is your basic truck. It's got the bed liner, all the stuff. Got the high lift, you know, my road of passage. But anyway, let's take this Yeti and let's put it inside of here. So as you can see, once we get this in here, it's very close to the top, right through here, very tight. And on the bottom, I've actually got it, it's actually just sitting up on top of the ridges right now. But if I take this and actually put it in the ridges where it's sitting completely flat, go ahead and throw this down. I actually have it sitting next to this, and I pull down the tonneau cover like so, and let it click into place. This thing hardly moves at all. I have never had it, and I have been on many trips where I've had this sitting in here running around and having our stuff for the day. It has never moved. When I open this thing up, it might shift just a little bit what I'm doing here, but because the feet on the bottom are in the grooves, it's not going to go anywhere. And just like that, the truck trailer closes up just fine. So that's why I think this Yeti Roadie 24 Hard Cooler is the best cooler for a Jeep Gladiator if you have a Mopar Hard tonneau cover, a trifold version. So that's my personal opinion. There's lots of other coolers out there. There's a bunch of Yeti knockoffs. But hey, what I would do if you want to look at those, just get the measurements for what the Yeti is, and it should suffice for what you're doing there if you're looking for a different cooler, whether it's from them or another brand, or whether it's from the new company I've started buying products from, Rome Adventure. All right, so that concludes us, you know, putting in the Yeti cooler inside the Jeep Gladiator. In this case, it's the Mohave version that I'm driving around. Hey, thanks everybody for your time. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button, click subscribe, and click that bell to be notified when we got new videos out. Thanks a lot.